So we're looking at Jingle Bells and Tradition of Excellence. And a few things I want to just talk through before we start. One, we have parts A, B, and C. All three parts should be played at the same time if you have enough people to do that. In my case, I don't, but we'll make sure we have a way of making that work. Second thing, bass clef. That's the only clef we've been working in so far with our playing. Next thing I see key signature. I see two flats, B flats, and then E flats. All the other tones will be natural. After that, I see 4/4, common time, 1, 2, 3, 4, for introduction. And then we have at measure 5, we have our theme. And so here we go. This will be Jingle Bells. And I'll do this really a medium tempo. Now, when you do something like this, you want to be exacting with your timing. Here's part B. 1, 2, 3. Part C. 1, 2, 3. Part C and Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.